Bilis.
Pakibilis tayo.
Nauna. Tayo laki.
Yes naman. Iyak si Mata.
We've come a long way, and today marks a new chapter, one that leads to our happily ever after. When I met you, I kind of already knew that one day you'd say I do. Confident I know, but with you I feel so sure. You've cleared every doubt and made my heart secure. I know life gets messy and there's still a lot to go through, but there's no one else I'd rather do life with than you. So I promise to always be by your side, my strength, my heart, and my wallet I'll provide. I'll always show up, especially on days that you need me. Through every joy, every storm, you'll always have me complete. We live by faith and not by sight, and trust in the Lord with all our might. It goes without saying, I love you endlessly. I'll choose you every day for all of eternity. I still can't believe I found the one. Now let's get married and have some fun.
This is it. I remember the day I met you sa HR room. I think some of the people here knew that.
Yeah.
Which I know you're not from that department. Pero you helped me out on the form sa and assisted me where to get it. Talagang effort ka, ituro kung saan. And if may questions ako about it, you led me sa HR team. I know from that time na you're kind and respectful. You made sure that you can help out in any way. Fast forward, we started having conversations about it and finally saying yes as your girlfriend. I know my life has changed the moment we got into a relationship. From someone who came broken family and doesn't believe in loyal men. You break that belief with me and we created a love story. Forget that I have you and I should just need to trust you and love you. Love, trust, and respect is what we have, will always have. Your love and sacrifice to your family proves me that I will marry a loving and understanding husband. May you always stay with me in every ups and downs of our lives. Always believe in us. This is the start of the new chapter of our lives. Know that I love you and will take care of you always. I love you.
Siya Tandang.
You may now kiss the bride.
Thank